Hi guys, welcome back to my channel once again. Today I'm doing this quick hairstyle that my sister found on Google and she wanted me to recreate the same look. Tomorrow's her birthday, so she wanted me to do this half up, half down crochet. So the back will be crocheted and then the front will have braids. So as you can see, I parted the hair three ways. The back, I'm just gonna braid it all around, just braid it all around so I can put the crochet, and then the front will just be braided up. I know it may seem like I'm pulling her hair hard, but it's not hard. She's not tender-headed at all. So what I'm doing here is I'm gonna start braiding from around her ears. I'm just gonna braid it all around. Just basically the idea is to make a circle, and when you do it like that, it's easier for you to add the crochet, I would say, and you can the crochet could be more full. It could look more full. Just gonna keep braiding, and the braiding doesn't have to be perfect because you're gonna put crochet over it anyway, so it doesn't have to be neat or perfect. You just have to make sure the hair is braided. I mean, again guys, I am not a hairstylist. I just love doing hair. She found this hairstyle on Google and she wanted me to recreate the same style. Continue braiding all around until we are done, until the circle is complete. It's not easy to braid around her head. I mean, this hairstyle is pretty easy, honestly. Anybody can just do it. You don't need to be like a professional or anything. As long as you just, just practice. It saves you money instead of going to the hair salon. So as you can see, I'm almost done braiding the back. I just have about two more to do, then I'll be done. It's actually easier to apply the crochet while it's braided around instead of having it braiding going back. And again, like I said, you don't have to part the hair perfectly. You don't have to braid perfectly. You just have to make sure the hair is braided. Now that we are done braiding the front, it's time to add the crochet braid. I'm using this I think it's Jamaican bounce curl I got from the beauty supply store. I think the pack was like $6.99, so I use about 3.5 packs for the back. I'm just adding it all around her head in the back. Here's the final result, guys. The hair is all done. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, please comment, like, share, and subscribe. I attempt to create the same look I found on Google. I mean, I tried. She loved it. Tomorrow's her birthday. She's turning 11, so say happy birthday to my sister. Thank you guys again for watching. Please come back. I look forward to seeing you guys back again. Thank you. Have a nice day.